Oh no, I think that was my bus.
Bus number 24?
Yeah, I saw it leave just now.
Don't worry. Another one comes in 10 minutes.
Really? That's a relief. I was sure I'd be late.
You're lucky. This route's pretty regular.
Good to know. I'm new here, so I'm still learning. First day of work?
Yep. And I already missed the bus. Great start, right?
Happens to everyone. You'll be fine.
Thanks. At least I met a kind stranger.
Then maybe missing the bus wasn't so bad. Hello, is this check-in?
Yes, ma'am, you're at the right counter.
I have a morning flight.
Sure. May I have your passport, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Where are you flying?
To Singapore.
All right. Do you have your ticket with you?
Yes, it's on my phone.
Perfect. Please show it to me.
Here it is.
Great. Do you have any bags to check in?
Just one suitcase.
Please place it on the belt.
Okay, done.
Any fragile items or liquids inside?
No, everything's fine.
Would you prefer a window seat or aisle?
Window, please.
All set. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Gate 9. Boarding starts at 6:10.
Okay, I'll be there.
Have a safe journey.
Thanks. Goodbye. Good morning, Mr. Mark.
Morning, Emma. How are you today?
I'm good. I just want to improve my English.
That's great. Are you practicing daily?
Not really. I don't know where to start.
No problem. Begin by listening to English every day.
Like podcasts or short videos?
Exactly. Write down new words and say them aloud.
Okay, that sounds easy.
Also, speak a little English each day.
I feel shy when I talk.
That's normal. Try speaking to yourself in the mirror.
Really?
Yes, it builds confidence.
All right, I'll try that.
Good. Learn a few new words daily and use them.
Thanks, Mr. Mark. That's helpful.
You're welcome, Emma. Keep practicing.
I will. Thanks again.
Good morning. Please, have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you, sir.
May I know your name?
I'm Olivia Brown.
Nice to meet you, Olivia.
Nice to meet you as well.
You're here for the receptionist opening, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Tell me a bit about your background.
I'm 23 and studied office administration.
Do you have any prior experience?
Yes, I worked at a corporate front desk for a year and a half.
Why did you leave that position?
I relocated here recently with my family.
All right. Are you comfortable handling multiple tasks at once?
Yes, I'm very organized and stay calm under stress.
Good to hear. Are you familiar with computer software?
Yes, I can use Word, Excel, and manage emails easily.
That's helpful. How confident are you in English communication?
I can speak clearly and write professionally.
Excellent. Do you enjoy working with people?
Yes, I like meeting new clients and helping them.
Can you work extra hours if required?
Yes, I don't mind a flexible schedule.
Do you live close to the office?
Yes, just around 10 minutes away.
Perfect. Any questions for me?
Yes, could you tell me the working schedule?
It's 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Saturday.
That's fine with me. What about the pay range?
It will depend on your experience and company policy.
That sounds fair. Here's my reference letter.
Thank you. I'll go through it.
Thank you for your time, sir.
We'll contact you soon, Ms. Olivia.
Looking forward to it. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye. Excuse me, ma'am?
Yes. How can I help you?
My phone battery just died.
Oh, that's annoying. Do you have a charger?
No, I forgot it at home.
There's a charging point over there.
I saw it, but I don't have a cable.
Wait, I think we have a spare one here.
Really? That would be great!
What kind of phone?
Android.
Perfect. Here you go. You can charge it here.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Let me plug it in.
It's charging now.
Good. You can sit here while it charges.
Thanks. I just need enough to make a call.
Sure. Happens to a lot of people.
Yeah, seems like I'm not alone.
Definitely not.
Thanks again. You really saved me.
Happy to help. Have a nice day. Good morning. Is this taxi available?
Yes, ma'am. Please, have a seat.
Thank you. I need to go to the airport.
Of course. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, just one suitcase.
All right. I'll place it in the trunk for you.
Thanks. How long will it take to reach?
Around 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's fine. My flight is at 10 o'clock.
Good timing. I'll take the expressway. It's faster.
Perfect. Please do.
The fare will be around $25.
That's okay.
Please fasten your seatbelt before we go.
Sure. Thank you for the reminder.
You're welcome. Sit back and relax. I'll get you there safely and on time.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure, ma'am. Have a pleasant trip. Hey there. Are you new around here?
Yes, I just got here yesterday.
Welcome to Rio. How are you liking it so far?
It's wonderful. The city feels so alive.
Glad to hear that. Where did you fly in from?
From Italy. It's my first time in South America.
Wow, that's quite a trip. How long will you stay?
Maybe a week. I want to see the beaches and try local food.
Good choice. You'll love the seafood here.
I can't wait. By the way, I'm Sophia.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. I'm Lucas.
Nice to meet you too, Lucas. Do you live here?
Yes, I grew up just a few streets away.
That's cool. Your English is really good.
Thanks. I learned by talking with tourists like you.
That's the best way to practice.
If you ever need help getting around, let me know.
That's so nice of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time here.
I will. Have a great day, Lucas.
You too, Sophia. Take care.
Good afternoon, sir. Please place your bag in the overhead bin.
Why should I? It's fine right here.
I'm afraid it blocks the walkway, sir.
It's just a small bag. No one will trip.
I understand, but it's airline policy for safety.
Rules, rules, rules. Fine, whatever.
Sir, please fasten your seatbelt. We're about to take off.
Oh, come on. This belt is uncomfortable.
It's for your own safety, sir.
I've flown hundreds of times. I'll be fine.
I'm sorry, but I can't take off until everyone's seatbelt is fastened.
Fine. There. Happy now?
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it.
Whatever. Just get this flight moving.
Of course, sir. We'll be in the air shortly.
Excuse me, ma'am. I think I've lost my boarding pass.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have your passport with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your details. Which flight are you taking?
I'm flying to London this evening.
All right, just a moment. Okay, I see your booking here.
That's a relief. I thought I might miss my flight.
No need to worry. Would you like me to print a new boarding pass for you?
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
Sure. It'll take just a minute.
Thanks. I really should have kept it in a safer place.
It happens to many travelers. Don't worry.
I'll be more careful next time.
Here you go. Your new boarding pass.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight to London.